Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to reset Windows 11 to factory settings.
Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video.
To reset your Windows 11 computer to factory settings, click on Start menu, click on Settings. Now scroll down. You will find an option here, Recovery. Click on Recovery. Recovery option is Reset this PC. Now click on Reset this PC button. Now you will find two options. One is keep my files and another one is remove everything. I will select keep my files. This will not take long time. You have to wait for a moment. How do you like to reinstall Windows? From cloud download or from local reinstall? Click on local reinstall. If you want to change your settings, just click here and can change your settings. I'm not changing my settings. Now click on next. This would not take long time. The resetting will change settings back to their default and keep personal data, reinstall Windows from this device and remove all apps and programs. Please note, this will take a while and your PC will restart. Okay, now click on reset. Status preparing. This device will automatically restart. Now Windows 11 computer reset has been completed.
This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.